you're a rider, you're not allowed to have hangnails. Logan, your helmet, I like it. It looks good. But why would you want to replace that, man? It's a beautiful helmet.
It's a beautiful helmet. And it is a Shoei. This is a great, comfortable helmet. I love this helmet to death. But there's a couple of things that I would do to change this helmet.
Okay.
One, have you seen the new colors on them?
Oh,
the new ones look awesome.
I hear you. I hear you.
So new helmets, they have bold new graphics. They have some cool styling cues. They're really, really nice to...
Looks alone, though, are not the only thing for safety. Come on, Logan.
No, it's not.
Although I agree with them, but no.
So there's a couple of things that you want to look for. All manufacturers will have a date of manufacture of the helmet itself. Now, most manufacturers will recommend to replace your helmet every 5 years of use.
From the date of the manufacturer or the date that you put it on your helmet, on your head?
I say use.
Gotcha.
So from the day you go out and start riding with it is the day the sun will start beating on it. Your sweat is going to start working on it. You're going to start working in your pads. You're going to start using the helmet.
But as a guide, use the manufacturer date.
The other thing that manufacturers will do is they will change some things over the years. So
I'm glad you said that because we are surrounded by helmets.
Yes.
So here's a beauty, I guess, inside of 2020. So give us an idea why I would want something like this or some of the upgrades.
Yeah, so this one here actually has a lot more ventilation than my old helmet does.
Yep.
This also has a built-in sun visor, which is a neat feature. So if you don't want to carry your sunglasses around, you actually can drop down that sun visor right there, which mine doesn't have that. This actually is safer than my helmet would be. The other problem that you'd get into is over the years of wearing the helmet, you're actually going to pack down all of the padding and it's not going to sit right. A proper fitting helmet is the most important element of keeping yourself safe on a motorcycle.
So bottom line, buyer beware, but more importantly, if you're not sure, what should you do?
If you're not sure, I would absolutely bring your helmet into any dealership. They're going to take a look at it. They're going to tell you what they'd recommend and try on a new helmet. The most important thing, in my humble opinion, is a proper fitting helmet. A proper fitting helmet will do more to protect your head than even a higher quality helmet that just doesn't fit right.
You heard it from the expert. Thanks, Logan.